back to my channel. So hope you're all doing well and really keeping safe, and I am doing well. Today's video will be all about those age-old remedies that we forgot or we just laid them back. Have you ever listened of that our grandmas or our parents saying that yeah, I was using those for example XNX product and my skin is so glowing today, so please use this. No, there was no such product in those years ago, because hardly there were one or two products. There were no toners, there were no serum, and still they just amazing skin. So how did they even try to maintain their skin without any such branded items, without using multiple items? So I was just thinking, and then I realized that our age-old natural remedies are far better than this ready-made products. In fact, they are very good to your skin, and that will maintain your skin for years and years. Can't we go back and start using those natural remedies in spite of running behind these products? So I am just going to introduce two and most important natural remedy. So yeah, the most important part of ancient or age-old beauty of Indian beauty secret will be incomplete without these two products. So hope you have guessed it right. So right here I am having this sandalwood stick and red sandalwood stick. So let's see the benefits of sandalwood and red sandalwood, and going forward I will be sharing you the natural remedies using these two sandalwood sticks. So yeah, expect more videos on this and natural remedies of applying it on our skin. I'll be doing more videos on this, so do not miss any of my videos. Yeah, the right point has come, so do not miss any of the videos. Please make sure that you have subscribed my channel so that you will not miss any of my videos relating to this, and also enable the notification so that you will receive all the notifications that I upload in future. So okay, let's see the advantages of using sandalwood on for your skin, or how beneficial is for your skin. If you take any soap or any perfume, they will mention clearly that it contains sandalwood powder, extract of sandalwood, made of sandalwood, and you also have various soaps naming with this sandalwood like Mysore sandal. So many things are related to this sandal. When everything is indirectly, why you need to use it indirectly when you directly get this sandalwood in market? Go ahead and buy the sandalwood and directly use it on your skin instead of indirectly using. You can easily get this from any Ayurvedic shops or any shops nearby. You will definitely get this. You can also get in the powdered form, but I will suggest buying sticks because this is right natural and there will not be any chemicals added in this. So the first benefit I would say is healthy and clear and glowing skin. You will get glowing skin by using sandalwood. So do apply it. If you apply it daily, that will be much effective. But if you are not able to apply it daily, at least apply it once in a week directly on your skin. As I have told you, rub it on a stone and apply that thing on your face, and this gives clear and glowing skin. That is your first advantage. And the second advantage here is this is very good for pimples. As you all know, sandalwood gives you a cooling effect. So wherever you have pimples or breakouts, if you just apply this on those areas, it just leaves your skin cooled and it works effectively on your pimples. So if you are a pimple prone or acne prone skin type, then you can definitely try this because it works amazing on your pimples. It helps in soothing your skin and avoiding those acne and pimples. The third advantage of using sandalwood is this helps in removal of any tan. If anything is on your skin relating to tan, this is very good to remove tan from your skin. Fourth advantage of using sandalwood is it helps to fight against dark spots. This removes dark spots. If at all you are having any dark circles or any dark spots, you can just go ahead and apply this over those areas where you have dark spots. This helps in removal of dark spots. And the fifth advantage that I would tell you is this improves your skin complexion. As I have told you, this gives in glowing skin. So this will not give you any side effects. So this is suitable for any skin type, oily skin or dry skin or normal to medium skin. Any skin type can use this because this works amazing on any skin types, and this doesn't have any side effects as I have told you. So you can go ahead and use this without any fear. So that was the advantages of sandalwood. Now next, let's see the advantages of red sandalwood. So basically red sandalwood and sandalwood comes from the same family, and here are more or less the features are also same, but I would tell you this has a very good smell. Okay, this is smells good, but this doesn't have any smell. Believe me guys, if at all you're having any marks on your face relating to, if at all if you had any chicken pox, you had a chicken pox and there were spots on your face, if you start applying this on those spots, it will be vanished away. Okay, so you should continuously apply this on those spots wherever you have any spots. Then this helps in removing those spots. And I would tell you, this sandalwood stick I am using since my childhood, and as you can see, it is already, I've used most of the part here. The same, even you can use this, as I've told you earlier. Take a stone and you can just slightly wet that stone and take this and just rub on that stone like this. So the red color mixture will be coming out of this, and you can directly apply it on your skin. You can also use this in any of your face masks. You can also add honey to this and you can use this on your face. This gives clear skin, and as I've told you, the properties remain same for both. This removes acne, clear skin, glowing skin, and the additional benefit that I would say is this removes any of those spots on your face or any marks on your. So I am telling you guys, if anyone is having any marks or spots on your face, you can directly go ahead and use this natural red sandalwood on your face, and those marks will be vanished away like anything. So this is a miraculous benefit of using red sandalwood on your face. And also, as I've told you, this works on pigmentation. Any dark circles, dark spots, any pigmented area, you can apply this and those pigmentations will be completely removed off. And this is these are few benefits of using this. You can also use this with any of the face masks. You can just add this, and if you are not able to get direct stick like this, you will also find the powder in online stores. Also you will be getting those. Tone to your skin. Applying red sandalwood on your face gives even tone to your skin, remove dark spots, acne, pimples. This fights against pimples, dark spots, what not guys, what not. All you need is a fairer skin, and that you will get by only using these two things. Instead of using multiple products, use these two things and make a habit of using this daily. Or at least twice in a week. You can see the difference. Okay guys, so that was about today's video. So if you like my video, if you feel it was a good information, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel guys. If you are a new member to my family, please hit that bell icon and under notifications enable also, that you will receive the notifications of all the future videos that I upload. So that's all for today. So see you soon in other video. Till then, bye and take care.